food waste. The Bryn Peak site is home to the Tomorrow's Valley Food Waste Recycling Plant. This is an anaerobic digestion plant. It takes the food waste that you and your family throw out each week and turns it into energy and fertiliser. It may look like a complicated arrangement of pipes, tanks and heavy machinery, but it is based on a simple concept similar to your digestive system. Material is delivered to the reception building, where it is mulched up into smaller pieces and mixed with liquid to form a soup. This is similar to what happens in your mouth when you eat. As you can imagine, it's a little bit smelly in here, but the building is fitted with environmental controls to ensure that any smells are contained within the building and treated. The food waste soup is piped to the main digester tanks. If the reception building can be likened to your mouth, then the digester tanks are the stomach of the operation. Here, special bacteria break down the food to produce a biogas. This gas is rich in methane, which can be used as fuel. The remaining solid and liquid fraction are separated and used as fertiliser on farms. The gas is taken from the digester tanks to the combine heat and power unit, where it is burnt and the energy used to drive the electrical turbine. The energy used is supplied to the national grid and is used by local homes and businesses.